Hello, my name's Matthew Keane. I'm the project manager for BAM, and on our Cornwall College project here we've opted for the use of Bamtec for several reasons, including the reduction in programme. Across the two buildings here we've saved a significant amount of time by using Bamtec. We've also benefited from a reduction in materials, which has seen a reduction in around or over 20% of the materials used compared to traditional loose bar reinforcement.
Chris Malone, Senior Project Surveyor with BAM Construction at Cornwall College in St Austell. We've been working in partnership with Hi-10 on this job. We engaged with them early during the PCSA period, which delivered significant value engineering benefits to aid with overall project affordability.
So with the carpets prefabricated off-site, it leaves less room for errors and reduces the cutting, bending and tying required on site. This also improves health and safety on site by reducing many of the hazards, including manual handling and strains and back issues related with traditional tying methods.
An early decision to use the Bamtec system assisted with clearly defining our supply chain procurement strategy. The direct appointment of Hi-10's design partner Q gave us good control and clear visibility over the design process while the maps were in development. The Hi-10 you get, we get quotation option fix our risk against significant price movement in steel costs during the duration of this long project, and overall we managed to achieve an over 20% reduction, equating to around 89 tonnes in raw material compared to the structure engineer's stage 4 kilogram per metre cube assessment.
Lower steel usage, reduced waste and production efficiencies also make Bamtec a more sustainable choice than traditional steel reinforcement.
Hi-10 have also assisted with our Scope 3 sustainability reporting in terms of the reduction in carbon and the recycled content that the Bamtec carpet contains.